File Redraw Performance. The latest update delivers significant performance enhancements, particularly when working with large 2D files. In this demonstration, we're showcasing a complex drawing containing over 148,000 entities, such as points, lines, circles, polygons, text, and groups. On the left, you'll see the previous version in action, while the right side displays the updated version. As we zoom in, observe the repaint time. The previous version experiences noticeably slower redraws, which can impact workflow speed and responsiveness. Now, let's compare it to the updated version. You'll see that the repaint time is significantly faster, providing a smoother and more fluid experience. This improvement is especially beneficial when handling intricate designs, allowing for quicker interactions and enhanced productivity. By leveraging these advancements, users can enjoy a more efficient and responsive experience, enabling them to focus on what truly matters, creating precise and innovative designs. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates and features designed to support your work.